Hello everyone and welcome to Monotangle Mondays by Zentangle Cafe. My name is CCT Sneha and I'm going to do this tangle called as Evoke for you. Let's tangle together. Let me quickly show how Evoke is done. Evoke is a tangle by Zentangle headquarters and I'm going to show you how it goes. So first you just draw a little curve and then again and this way. And now you do an aura. So aura, this. Once it's done, you're going to turn it. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, probably now. So when you turn it, you again do the same thing. So initially we drew it towards the left and again we're going to repeat it, however, 2 times. So first let me start from this side. And in the same direction towards the left, but from the right hand side. And I'm going to place these tiny arcs in between these. Now again it's time to aura. So it might happen that the aura might come very close to the initially drawn arcs and hence you can actually draw from behind. And the remaining area which is there, you just can ink it. I'm doing it very roughly because we are just practicing Evoke before we draw it on our tile. So this is Evoke by Zentangle headquarters. Let's do it on the tile. We've taken a standard square tile and I hope this is clear, the lighting and everything. Just like it. So I'm going to draw the 4 dots. So I'm CCT 39 and this year it will be 4 years for me to become a certified Zentangle teacher. After drawing the 4 dots, while joining the dots with either straight or curved lines, we need to think what we're grateful for. So I'm super grateful for this community's Tangle Cafe. Although I'm not very actively pursuing being a CCT or Zentangle, and this year it's been difficult to actually continue tangling regularly. But Zentangle Cafe, I think, always keeps checking on me, especially Dolly and Sulpa. So thank you so much. You guys were in my prayers today while I was connecting the dots over here. So again, I'm going to draw an aura of this square. So what we're doing is we're going to draw a border using Evoke. I think it's going to look really good. Because for me, I think I really love doing the grid tangles, which are very, you know where it starts, where it ends. But the organic tangles, they are a challenge. However, whenever I'm challenged, I think it always gets the best out of me. So I'm going to use PN. Yeah. I'm using Micron PN. Let's start from here. I think I'm going to let it go wild, so I won't be following one direction. Right now, I'm going to take it diagonally. This is the first thing. Let's do the aura. There's something about doing aura. It's super relaxing. That's what at least I feel. People who are watching this tangling along, what do you think? I've started getting lost in the world of tangling, and after a really long time, now I know what I was missing. So this we have done 2 times. Again, we rotate it 180 degrees and do the same thing one more time. Same direction, to the left. And aura. I like how sorted this tangle is. You just draw these beads leftwards and then keep drawing the aura. I think I'm pretty happy with this. We can actually go towards this side. The same thing I'm going to draw over here. However, I think I can take it from this end. What kind of tangler are you? Do you like to draw fast? Do you like to take your own with space and time? I think I am a fast tangler, that's what I've realized. Keep breathing, everyone. I know we are not dying. However, this constant reminder, and one more time, oh, it's looking very pretty. I am a big preacher of self-love, and even if no one appreciates, I think I believe in appreciating it myself. It's giving a very nice border. Yeah. I think I'm going to try something which I did not think before, but it's coming to my mind right now. Let us do it this way. So I'm going to draw one of it in this direction. Let's see how it goes. I mean, no mistakes in Zentangle. Thank you so much, Dolly and Sulpa, for being patient with me. I've not been attending regularly, but trust me, I really miss it. There was a year I did not miss a single session of Zentangle Cafe. It was the year 2023. And at that time, I knew everyone who was a member in there, what was going on in their lives. And it was such a nice space to be in, actually, to be connected to the Zentangle community. So this month is also Friendship Day is being celebrated all around the world. And I want to wish all my Zentangle fellow CZTs a very, very happy Friendship Day. One thing that I absolutely appreciate that no other community has other than the CZTs is I think there's no competition that I've seen because there's healthy competition. However, since how much we can charge to a student, that's decided. There's I think it's fair, and the fact that we keep giving credits, we keep learning from each other, we keep sharing each other's works, that is what makes it all the more beautiful. So we're going to do the same thing on this side also, and inside we can just leave it empty for now. I've thought of drawing maybe a word that means something to me. You can think about your word while you keep tangling. Now that you got a knack of it, it will be faster. So now we are done with all the 4 vertices, and I'm connecting this with this now. So I remember this lesson from our certification phase, when in confusion to aura. I think that's one of the best things art has ever made, aura. I think I'm feeling super relaxed till now while doing this. You guys, please share how it's going for you. And now suddenly it struck to me that how about we take for every thing we draw, every string we draw, maybe we can take a different color pen. That will look very interesting. Especially if you take colors like bottle green, black, and brown. I think wow, it will look very pretty. So now I'm going to complete this and this. Alright, we have completed doing the border of this style with Evoke. And now it's time to fill in the gaps. I think let's ink in to add that drama. Although it looks very pretty just as it is. Let's see what it has to offer. Maybe it will look even prettier. Let's just go with it. However, I don't feel like coloring all of it, so I'm going to be selective. I like how Zentangle normalizes almost all the negative things in a very bright light, so in a very positive light. So one of the words is drama. In day-to-day life, when we use this word, it's not always in the right context. We use it for friends who are over-dramatic. We use it for people who are creating a nuisance, but don't do unnecessary drama away of it. When a child is acting, and we know that there's no spice in the food, and how do we yell at a child is, enough of your drama, okay? Just stop and eat your food. So if you can relate with me, yes, drama is used, not always in the theatre aspect, but sometimes in usually behavioral aspect. So yeah, in Zentangle they say the more drama you add to a tile, the more beautiful it gets, right? So yeah, I mean, you can see the difference. Half of it has the drama, and it's already, I love it more than what it was. Sometimes I think we should take the chances, even if we don't feel like life always has something better to offer. Yeah, I'm a life coach. I will keep giving such philosophical talks from now and then. However, I feel, yeah, like I was saying, drama is one of the terms that I love how Zentangle has normalized it. Another term for me is no mistakes in Zentangle. The minute you tell someone no mistakes, it's absolutely okay. Follow your heart, keep breathing. It's okay repeatedly do the same thing. Oh my god, it is a stress buster. So these are the things normally we get punished for. Society has normalized, or we have normalized that we need to be extra careful before making mistakes. And what if we make a mistake? What will happen? So right from spilling the glass of milk, the cup of milk, as a child, I think I always used to be dreaded of making mistakes. Probably because that's how I was raised. I mean, making mistakes. Not that I was very disciplined as a child. However, I feel that mistakes were always shown. Like a lot of prevention was taken, whether it's a big thing or small thing. So yeah, the Zentangle training and the whole experience of learning and practicing Zentangle calmed me down as a person and made me more willing to take risks. Because I think when I know that I can make my mistakes, I can learn from them, I can be accountable for them, and I don't need to be scared. I mean, there's nothing wrong in making mistakes, so that helps with a lot of life decisions as well. Oh my god, I'm loving this Tangle. It always happens with me. I mean, till the time I don't do it, I'm going to keep cribbing about how I don't like Tangle so much. And once I do it, I mean, this week, I'm sure wherever I find even a pen and paper, I'm going to just keep doing this. So yeah, I think I'm done. I don't want more, but I feel like doing one video. Alright. This is my tile. And like I said, we got to write a word over here. So I think I'm going to write what are you thinking? What do you think you're going to write and look at that word or phrase every day? Alright, I understood what I need to write. But I'm going to use my ink pen because I'm just very obsessed with the indigo ink. I'm going to write trust the process. It always works out. So yeah, this is my Zentangle tile, everyone. I'm just going to do the chalk now. So I don't feel like shading it, but if you feel like, please go for it. I feel it's really very, very happy with the tile. So I'm just going to follow my heart. Alright everyone, thank you so much for being with me. Happy tangling. Please share your tiles with me. And do tag Zentangle at photos when you draw Evoke. Thank you. Bye-bye.